Well guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Me and my son right here, he traded us. He went to this crew right here. Can't believe that shit. What kind of shit is that? All right guys, I'll see you later. All right brother, I'll see you later. Which way are you going? Type R? SI Type R. Alright guys, a little night drive to home, but I'll keep you guys posted. Bye. Back to my POV, back how I started. Gas guys, but yes sir, highway, this guy. Yes guys, so I think you guys like the POV. If you do, comment down below so I can know what to, you know, kind of give you as content. For me, everything is content. Shit, my boy getting a motor, my boy buying a car, anything is content for me, which you guys don't see, but I want to film it for you guys. So if that works out for y'all too, then beautiful. But I just really want to thank you guys once again for dropping that like and hitting that subscribe button. We're almost there guys, we're almost there boys. Come on now, we're almost there. I want a Mercedes one day. Yeah, so I know back in the day when I started the vlogs, it was literally a POV, me driving and talking, and I got more reaction towards that. So I don't know, but then and then car meets I get more reactions too. So I'm at like in the middle in between both. You know what I mean? So I don't know what I vlog everything, whatever I can vlog basically. There's food definitely. I haven't gone on that yet, but summer's coming up, so we're gonna have a lot of things going on. Have a vacation coming up. I'm gonna, you know, I'll hopefully daily vlog that time because I know how to edit now. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, no reason to lie, but I hope my editing skills are getting better and better little by little, you know what I'm saying? Dude, what are you doing? Oh my goodness, bro. Do you see what I'm saying? California drivers don't know how to drive. Retard. And one thing guys, no sidetrack, but like, how can I say it? Road rage. I mean, all of us have a little in of us, you know what I mean? But road rage, you never know who the other driver is. That's the only drawback. Like, I'll be scared now because you never know who the hell he is or what he's doing or what he's up to compared to what you're doing, you know what I'm saying? Or no? Oh. Yeah, sorry, but just careful, y'all. Careful. You don't know who the hell's in the other car. That's why I kind of let that go. Oh, look, SI. See. Somehow I always end up in these travel destination thingies, like with the showers and everything for the truckers. Pretty cool. Show you a little inside of that right here. Straight up vlog the whole thing. Put gas. See, I'm telling you guys, POV content right there. The SI right there. See what I mean when they got showers up in here? Literally travel place. Yeesh. I don't know, this is interesting. Don't know why, but just because as a kid, I don't know, traveling, different type of gas stations, you know? But you know, it's one of the travel things, so if you have one of these right here. All this cool stuff for the GPS and all that stuff right here. And bathroom and showers. Alright guys, you guys tell me, when you're driving, and I know if you're like observant of things, like tail lights, especially at nighttime, if you know it's like a cop, you know tend to slow down, right? So there was like the Rango over there, And you know, you seen those undercover Durangos nowadays? It looks like freaking like cop cars, but low key. Yeah, I thought it was one of those right now, so I stayed behind. The guy in front of me stayed behind too. I was like, it has to be a cop. So apparently it was. So as soon as it turned, it was a damn cop. So I was like, oh, good thing I let off. I was just chilling right now driving, but now, you know, just wanted to ask you guys if you guys go through the same thing, you know what I mean? Yeah, so just, if you guys are going down the street, you see like a car like that, you think it's a Charger, or do you think it's a, I'm sorry, Challenger or Charger? I get those two mixed up. The 4-door one, you know what I'm talking about. And you think it's a cop, it's like, so you gotta slow down, but you gotta pay attention to that. And then the headlights too. If you guys are telling the headlights in the background, if it's a cop, you like kind of distinguish. And then at nighttime, you see the shadow pop out, like, oh shit, you see the sirens on top, like, then you know it's a cop. But yeah, sorry, just have to throw that in there. It's one of those things that if it was only me, or you guys feel the same way, you gotta watch out for your surroundings, especially in a car, unfortunately, like this, you know what I'm saying? And one more thing, guys, I don't know if you guys noticed right there, Type R's, if you have it on sport mode, it doesn't show you the mileage, like the miles odometer basically. So I think it's actually a great thing, because I don't want to see how many miles I have. I think I'm at like 10K or 11K right now, so it's not too bad. But also gotta add to the vlog, or gotta add to my comments, I freaking cannot stop saying it, or even just blurting out there. I love my car. I love a Type R. If you guys are a Type R owner, I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. This feeling, just driving this thing, stock, not stock, whatever it is, it's just amazing. It does so well in the canyons, it does so well in turns. It goes, bro. Like, for what it is, it's not bad at all. But yes, it was a little POV drive tonight, guys. Something different. Back to my baby right here. But just hope you guys like the content. Drop a like and subscribe again. And I'll let you hear a little ASMR of everything. Hopefully not too much wind noise. Nice and cold right now too, so you know the turbo is working very, very significantly well, like A1, guys. Kicking on. I think that's a cop right there in front of me. Shit, it is a cop. Back. I knew it. That's why I slowed down. I see him right there. I don't know if y'all see him right there. I'll see if I can zoom in. I'll let him keep going. I'll keep my distance. But just exactly what I was just literally talking about. I have not edited or cut anything in this piece I'm telling you guys, but literally your surroundings. That's a cop right in front of me. I did a little pull, so I seen the tail light. I was like, wait, is that a cop? And it is a cop. There it goes right there. Damn, right on the roundabout. I'll slow down. No worries. I gotta give you some space. See, it's right there. You see him? Damn, bro, that was close. I would have done a little pull for you guys right here, but he's like right there. I'll take a little chill pill. Hopefully he catches that green light all the way down there. I'll be straight. But yeah, guys, let me know down in the comments below, like POV drives or everything type of vlog. You know what I mean? Goddamn light did not turn green. They're right here. Look, right here. And there they go right there. That dude was waiting for me to pass by. Oh my freaking god. I I know he probably seen the camera when I went like this. I know he was waiting for me because I was pulling out. I was going super slow, and the damn red light was taking forever. So I know he smelled was the straight gas from my car. So I got lucky. All right, guys, for sure. Peace out, guys. Peace.